我要買一寡愛用的物件，甲一領太太的衫。
I'm going to buy some things that I need and a dress for my wife. 1. The first part of the above sentence we translate into English as a relative clause. For the moment, let us think of a as a relative pronoun, that, who, which, preceded by a clause,
我要買一寡愛用
which modifies the word following,
的物件。
Thus, we have, I'm going to buy a few things that I need to use. See Grammar Note 4. In the title of the dialogue,
太太穿的衫
is the same construction, a dress that my wife wears, that is, her type of dress.
騎三輪車的查某囡仔是我的小妹。
The girl who is riding a tricycle is my younger sister. 2.
一領衫
Means, one article of clothing, one dress.
領
Is called a measure. Each noun has its proper measure.
領
Is used only with
衫
equals clothes. See Grammar Note 3.
因厝底做衫褲。因厝
Here means, his family, or simply, they. Not his house, as we know from the context. Someone or several in the family is making clothes.